Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be getting ready for a photo shoot really quickly. I'm not gonna be talking much because I'm late. Okay, so first I'm gonna set my primer with setting powder in all my dark areas.
The primer I use is the ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid Primer, and the powder I use is the Fenty Satin Powder in Nutmeg.
Under my eyes, on my nose, around my mouth. And now you can see it's way more even. It already looks like I have on makeup. Okay, so next I'm going to put on my tinted moisturizer from ColourPop. And I'm gonna be moving quick, y'all, because I'm late. And I'm going to blend that in with, calm down. I'm gonna set my face and blend that in. Gonna add a little bit more to my problem areas. And this photo shoot is supposed to be like a 90s and 2000s photo shoot. And I'm excited. It's for my friend. She does photography. And she needed some models, and I offered to be one. So I'm very excited. How does that look? That looks pretty good. Okay, now let's contour. Now let's conceal. And today I'm going to mix my concealer with my foundation a little bit, so we get a little bit of a natural conceal before we highlight and stuff. And I'm gonna do my contour while that sits a little bit. And I'm gonna blend that out the contour. Let me do, let's use this. Oh, and if you're not new here, yes, my hair is different. I cut my hair. I didn't cut a lot off. I just cut all the bleached ends off, maybe like 5 inches. And I should have took a picture because my hair was so long. And I cut it. But it's okay. Now let's blend out this concealer. Oh, let's go back for the contour. I was supposed to use a brush, but that's okay. Now we're gonna go in with the other one. The concealer I'm using is NARS Radiant Concealer in Hazelnut. Period. And now let's use my lighter concealer. And it's the e.l.f. concealer in, I don't really know. I don't know, y'all. And I'm debating on whether to use a lot or a little. But I'm gonna use a lot. Just so my under eyes are really like good, because I'm reading the camera. And I want to do Uchi's makeup routine. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush just to blend some of that in. And I'm gonna set it really quickly.
I use a lot of powder, y'all. I know y'all gonna get tired of this powder, but I do use a lot of powder. For real. My face is oily. I gotta use the powder.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use a lot of powder to set up under my eye, and then we're gonna do some eyeshadow really quickly. And this is a 2000s look, so I'm thinking silver shimmer, kind of smoky eye, and then really bright under brow. Okay, how does that look? Period. My hair is all in my face. Okay, so now let's go to the eyeshadow. And since I'm wearing brown, I guess we'll do brown and then silver. Yeah, silver, but I'm wearing gold. Okay, so I'm gonna do a brown look, and I might do gold. I don't know, but we're gonna do a brown smoky eye, and I don't know where my good eyeshadow palette is with my browns in it, so I'm gonna use my other palette, the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, and I'm gonna use the browns from there. And I'm going in with a darker brown. They aren't really my other browns. Those are the good ones. Okay, I found it. They don't really make a difference, but I just like them. And we're gonna go under. Period. She's cute. And now we're gonna go in with a dark black in my waterline. Yeah.
And I'm just going back and forth with the black and the dark brown eyeshadow, blending it out, making it smoky. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. And then I'm doing a little inner corner. Very cute, very cute. Yes, yes. I'm obsessive, I know, but just bear with me. It's okay. It's okay. I know that's right. Look at her. I know that's right. Beautiful. Period.
Okay, so I'm done with my eye. Now, let's do the silver. Or should I do gold? We're gonna do silver. Let's blend all this powder out. And let's do a little bit of bronzer and blush. Let's do a little bit of bronzer. just a little bit.
Now this is how you get a good beat. I mean, look at it. It's giving for real. It's really giving. I really ate that up. And I'm gonna insert some pictures. One picture, that's all I got because my phone was frozen. But I'm gonna insert a picture.
For blush, I'm gonna be using Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go in with the light pink blush. Okay, this is as good as gonna get. My other light went out, but here it is. And my forehead, do I really need to do something? Let me see. No, not really. You can't really see it, but this is the look. Let me do my lips, and then I'm gonna come back. I lost my lip liner, so we don't have to make do. Never mind, I found it. Let me do a little bit of silver on my cupid's bow. Do a little black. And we're going to set it with translucent powder. Make sure everything lined up. Yeah, that looks good. And I'm gonna set my face and come back with gloss. And that's the finished look. I went in with NYX Butter Gloss and Ginger Snap, and then I did a regular quick gloss on top. And I'm finished, and I'll see you guys at the shoot.
Hey guys, it's the end of the video. I didn't get to record much because my phone broke. It froze, but now I did a little factory reset and now it's back working. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment on what you want me to do next. What should I try? What should I do? This one was really quick because I was running and I was late. And now I'm tired and ready to go to bed. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.